morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back. Happy Monday. I hope everybody had a good weekend and is ready for another crazy week in the market. Oh boy. I mean, you guys saw from that Swing Kings watch list that I sent you guys, there's a lot of really good setups out there. I'm really excited. I know a lot of you guys are too. You guys have been building your own watch list. I love to see them. It's going to be a fun week, guys. I mean, we do have some data coming out. I don't think we have anything too crazy. I can take a look, but we definitely, oh wait, hold on. Maybe not. Oh no, we have PCE Friday, which is going to be huge. So yeah, we do have PCE Friday. Oh, GDP revision on Thursday is going to be significant. We do have pending home sales. But I think most importantly, obviously, we're going to be having NVIDIA earnings coming up this week too, team. So again, everything is setting up really well. I know we've been looking at that SMCI. It's going to be a little iffy with NVIDIA earnings. We'll see what happens if I'm going to do anything on it. I may not even do anything just because there's so many other amazing setups out there. I mean, the market is setting up in a way, guys, where it's been like how it's been, where in those time frames where it's literally like for me when I was trying to lose trades and I couldn't. So without further ado, we're going to go through some tickers with you guys. We have a couple of announcements for you guys too. I've got a couple of really good announcements, but it is that time of day again, ladies and gentlemen. Make sure you guys are saying good morning to somebody in the live chat. If you guys would like to say good morning to me, I'd love to receive some good mornings over here. If you guys are new to the stream, let me know. We're doing our roll call here. Let yourselves be known. And as always, ladies and gentlemen, make sure you guys are hitting that like button on the way in. Helps out a whole lot, spreading these streams out to some more people here. I'm live every single day on YouTube. Now, we are going to end the public live streams probably at the end of September. Once we get the Discord fully up and running, because all these live streams are going to be private for you guys in there. But again, make sure you guys are hitting that like button. You guys have been crushing it recently. Let's do our little roll call here. Welcome everybody into the stream. And then let's start off the week really strong. Let's do it, team. So we got A-Rock, Samuel, Starsky, Daily, Taylor, Rogue, Dr. Bob, Todd, Tor, Eddie, Romeo, Ambitious, Daniel, Jackie, William, BTD, Michael, Cody, Nick. Good morning, everybody. Hope you guys had a good weekend. I had a nice little relaxing weekend. I'm ready to go. I'm ready. I'm ready for a fun week, man. Bardistas, good morning, man. So, here's a little bit of what we're looking at today. Market's not really doing anything yet. I still am a little bit hesitant to really do anything crazy for two reasons. The lesser reason, obviously, is going to be NVIDIA earnings. The main reason is the reaction that we saw from the market off of Jackson Hole and Powell's speech on Friday that we were streaming. So, again, a lot of these rate cuts are already priced in. And that's something that I think a lot of people aren't understanding. And the reason why I really want to see how this shakes out. Now, that doesn't mean that we're not going to be trading, but I might be a little bit more hesitant and just size it a little bit more moderately. I'm not going to go absolutely nuts on some of these setups. Now, I mean, some of them I might, but I doubt it. So Qualcomm looking really good over here. I mean, obviously, this is going to be an interesting one headed into NVIDIA's earnings. Apple, I really like over here. Obviously, I like SMCI, but Disney, I think is one that has an unbelievable amount of potential right now. This reminds me of our multi-1,000% Tesla trade, the 300. Well, I nailed Nike for like 390%. I know a lot of you guys hit it for like bigger than that, 1,000% plus, just because of the time to expiration that you guys had. But again, what do we look for a lot of the time when these stocks are hated by the market? They are hated. All of a sudden it switches. It shifts a little bit, starts to set up, and we could get a nasty move to the upside on Disney here, which is very possible. We've seen this happen so many times, and these are sometimes my favorite setups, right when the market is just hating everything the most, because obviously you can think about it for a couple of reasons. One, I mean, there's obviously institutions out there that are shorting this. So they're obviously very green on their position. If this thing starts to shift trend in any meaningful way to the upside, they're obviously just going to get out and take their positions back. Uber's fine. Uber's fine. Look at Uber. Uber's fine. I don't know what you're talking about on Uber. I mean, it might have had some bad news, but it's not affecting it in the pre-market right now. But yeah, Disney, I really like. Tesla is also back on the radar over here. If we can get a couple of days of consolidation, and this is probably going to be a post-NVIDIA earnings type of trade here, if we can kind of flatline, get through NVIDIA's earnings, get a nice setup here, that could be absolutely awesome. Some of the other things that we're just holding, I mean, SoFi is up again, 1.2% in the pre-market. We bought on this day right here. I mean, obviously we went from very green to slightly red, but this, I mean, when I mapped out the thesis for you guys, that's what I was expecting. I was actually hoping for a deeper dip so I could buy more. It didn't, so I just have the initial position still up probably on these shares about, I don't know, 11%, 16%. Woo! There we go, team. What an entry there. And then Palantir is starting to roll over a little bit. So if that thing drops below 30, I might start selling some puts on it again. So we'll see. Any tickers that you guys want to mention, let me know. I do have some announcements for you guys. We have some Discord announcements. I know I've got, guys, the amount of messages that I've been getting about like the launch of the Discord has been insane. I know you guys are excited for it. I have some announcements today. I did send that email out to a couple of the email lists that I have. So that has some information on it for you guys there too. But this is the week, team. This is the week. So I hope you guys are excited for it. I mean, I know you guys are. Why wouldn't you be? It's like the everything you could ever possibly want for long-term financial success and trading success. Well, let's see here. We'll do those announcements probably closer to market open. Yields kind of flickering around a little bit this morning. USD JPY is in a weird spot right now. I saw this last night. I mean, it was dropping pretty significantly here. It did get bought back up a little bit, but that's not good. If we see USD JPY come down below this wick here, the lows here around, what is it, 141-ish? That's not good. We're going to see the further unwind of this carry trade here, which is kind of exactly what we've been saying. If the market's going to price in these rate cuts, the dollar's going to sell off, the yen's going to strengthen against it in any meaningful way, the unwind of the carry trade continues to occur. And if it happens in any meaningful way, they are going to be selling U.S. equities. So just something to be aware of. Lens a straight rocket ship, home builders and mortgage sticker strong like bullet. Yeah, dude, RKT is a monster right now. It just didn't give us our clean setup, but yeah, this thing has been like an absolute monster. Tree, I think is another one. Lending tree, yeah, lending. Oh my god, I think we talked about this one Friday. All right, AROX got some tickers for us. MATX, and then we are kind of setting up a nice day trade setup yesterday. Also, or today. Shout out to Michael. Michael hit, I think, some of the nastiest day trade setups from the day trading mastery course last week. Dude, I think you hit what? Like 2 Fridays ago, you hit the single TP. The Monday, you hit the double TP. And then Friday, you hit that 30-point move. That was insane, dude. Not the biggest fan of this one, A-Rock. KNX, yeah, shout out to you, Michael. I mean, that thing has like 20 winning months in a row for a reason. NRG, I like this one. Oh, utilities. What the heck is that? NRG I like, so a utilities ticker. I mean, XLU, XLRE are still looking good. How's XLV look actually? Wow, XLV looks good. Where's UNH? Peaking. Oh, MATV. Sorry, hold on. MATV. Yeah, same deal. I don't like this one. And NRG we looked at. FMC. Nah, they're all moving already, man. ALCO. Let's see here. This one I like. This one's not bad. But again, these are, if the market is going to set up as a whole, I'm probably not going to look at things like this. I'm probably going to look more so into the bigger names. Shop could be a really fun one. Yeah, I like Shop. Yeah, Shop could be really good here, man. I like this. I like that a lot. Yeah, Shop does look nice. SMTC. What's this? Earnings on tomorrow. So I'm not going to be doing anything with that. Not going to be doing anything with that. And then you have NVIDIA earnings. I still love SMCI. This chart is nasty. I love it. It just needs to. The only thing is NVIDIA earnings, and we do have some other awesome setups as well. Leibu is probably just off to the races, which is kind of what we said. Oh no, Leibu actually looks good here. This is one though in that YouTube video I made for you guys last week. Remember, guys, make sure you guys all have notifications turned on for the YouTube channel here. The market videos are back every single day, well, Monday through Thursday. So yeah, I mean, this is one that we talked about on these moves up. So we will see what happens to this, but obviously biotech is going to have some fun in a declining interest rate environment. What else? Hood is an interesting one, down a little. Hood was a nasty one that we called on Friday. Cat was another one that I accidentally fat fingered and then got out of. So this was, I mean, I made money on it, but I probably should have just continued holding this. I just didn't really want it on like I don't like trading right on the Powell days just because the odds that things are going to reverse and start moving the other direction aggressively are pretty high. ARM, another semi. I mean, it looks okay. It's just Nvidia earnings. Remember, the best semiconductor setup right now is SMCI. So if I'm going to do anything, it's going to be on that one. APPF. What's that? Nah, it's just slow grind up there. WK. I like this. I like this. This is a good one. It's just up in the pre-market. Yeah, Cat's a great one. Anybody still holding Cat or held it through Friday, you guys are going to be having some fun on that one. Uh, let's see. I like this one. This one's not bad. CNC we talked about Friday, I think. So, yeah, what do we got? 20 minutes to go until market open, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, you guys are crushing the like button. We got 20 likes to go until 50 in the pre-market. I appreciate you guys. We got some good announcements for you guys today, too. Everybody's been asking me, when's the Discord launching? What are the instructions? We're going to be talking about that this morning and probably this week as well. But it's time. It is time, team. QQQ Friday candle, the definition of an inside day. Yeah. Yeah, Cat's a good one. That was a fun one. I mean, not for me because I just like I accidentally was in it. I accidentally was in it, and then I was not in it, and then I was. That was a weird one. I thought I wasn't in it. I don't like how USD/JPY looks here. I really don't. That's terrifying. That's terrifying. If you need to know the reasons why, just go watch any of my YouTube videos over the last like 3 weeks. It's just that's not good. We do not want to see this thing knife like this. Where's the dollar this morning? I would assume it's down. Oh, that's interesting. Dollar strengthening a little today. Okay. That's a bit strange. We do have a potential day trade set up here, though. It's like wonky, but yeah, from down here to up here. That would be really fun. If we get that one, oh boy. I see. Thank you. Thank you. Almost Discord time. Who's ready? Yeah, I did the final testing on Saturday. Tor, thank you, buddy. I appreciate that. It's all ready to go. It is all ready to go. It's not a bank holiday. No, I'm pretty sure next Monday we have no market. Labor Day. I'm pretty sure 3-day weekend this weekend, which will be nice. Get all you guys into the Discord. Welcome you all in. Have some fun. Get to know all of you guys. We might do just like maybe not because I'm going to be probably in rough shape throughout this entire weekend because I didn't do anything this weekend. It's a 3-day weekend in Boston. Those usually get a little nuts. So we will see. But yeah, we're going to have a lot of fun with you guys once you guys hop in. ANET, that's on the list. How's it look? Oh, it's knocking on the door. ANET is knocking on the door. Yeah, I like this one. This one I'm a big fan of. Disney is I'm just like, I really like this. Just how it looks. It reminds me of like Nike, Starbucks, Tesla. It reminds me of some of our best trades throughout the year. So we're going to be looking at that. Good morning, team in SCV. Good morning, Josh. How you doing, man? You guys are killing the like button. Happy Monday, ladies and gentlemen. Let's have another good week. Last week was a little slow. I mean, nice, still green, but it was just slow. Just going into Jackson Hole, waiting. Again, think about it in terms of capital preservation. Like now we have some of the most insane setups in the market. You're still holding some DraftKings. Oh, how is that looking right now? Is it looking good or what? What happened to it? Oh yeah, DraftKings still looking good there. And the thesis is right. Well, a lot of it is like it's just like it's contrarian. Is a lot of what it is. Like Nike, big contrarian thesis. Starbucks was. We weren't in it, but that's kind of why we were looking at Nike. Tesla, absolutely. We've done a lot of that this year on those stocks that have sold off aggressively and then started to shift, and those trades have been absolutely phenomenal. Do I know if Disney's going to do it? Not really, but it absolutely could. And Q's the lagger to start the day. Yeah, I mean, the market's only up like what, 0.17%? It's not doing much. Like, yeah, and NASDAQ's down a little. But it's all kind of flat here. We got to wait and see. VST was a really good one. Yeah, I know you hit that one. Yeah, VST, that one was solid. Getting it above here. Oh, yeah, that's a really good one. I mean, what are you looking at on this? It's like you take it above here. Your stop's below the day low. What are you at? Like a 1 to 2.5, 1 to 3? Yeah, 1 to 3 already. That's great. Just 131%, but it's free. There you go, Boric. That's what we like to see. Yeah. I mean, I'd be interested for the potential day trade setup, but again, less trades, more profits, team. That's what you have to drill into your guys' heads if you want to have long-term success. If not, have fun losing money in the market long-term. Simple as that. Disney not doing anything in the pre-market here. Again, above that 91 area, 91.38, we could have a lot of fun on that up to 95. So we'll see. I do really like it. SMCI is good. Apple, I really like. Apple could be a really fun one if it gets going up to those 52-week highs there. Tesla's back on the menu, but it's still needs a couple of days. Tessie still needs a couple of days. We'll see. I mean, anything on the news feeds yet? I don't think so. I mean, this is interesting. I saw this a little earlier. It's like, amidst all the euphoria over the great pivot that will lead to 250 basis point of rate cuts and the majestical party for risk assets, durable goods ex defense rose in the fastest pace since 2020, and new home sales rose the fastest pace in 2022. The economy is not dead yet. And that's kind of where I'm at, where it's like, yeah, I still think the market's a little too aggressive with these cuts. I still think so. And the bond market's fully priced them in. So we'll see. JB Hunt, Ulta. We can take a look at those. Ulta. I like it. It just has earnings too close. Thursday. JB Hunt could be an interesting one. Transports. Yeah, I like this. I do. I'll throw an alert on this one. This could be a fun one. Dude, there's so many tickers. Like, I can't even describe to you guys how excited I am. Like, if the market confirms here, oh my God, we're going to have an absolute field day again. September is typically a terrible month for the market, though, so we'll see. But I don't really like seasonality. Like, I think now, and I think this is something that a lot of people are failing to realize, is like, you point to seasonality, you point to what's happened in history with cuts and everything, and it's like, this environment that we're in post-COVID is so different that I don't think a lot of that stuff applies. I really don't. And seasonality, too, is like, I'm not the biggest fan of it. The other thing, like, if you have all this excess capital out in the market, which you still do, even with all these cuts, it's like the money has to go somewhere. It's gonna keep asset prices elevated unless something new occurs. That's like, and what people will sometimes point to is like, oh, look, seasonality. It's like, no. We had a completely new event happen. It doesn't have to deal with like the time of the year. Yeah, Ulta's a good one. I just like, it's too close to earnings for me to really want to go for anything on that. So yeah, CNC for some reason gapping down here. I don't have this one. It looks decent. Tessie we can kind of leave up here. Netflix is an interesting one. I don't think this is setting up. We actually wanted Netflix in here. I just wanted a couple more days of consolidation. I mean, I told you guys Netflix was setting up for a massive move. It actually doesn't look bad up here if you get a couple more days. So we can do a little bit of work early on this week and then see if these tickers like a Tesla or a Netflix give us setups into the end of the week, which would be awesome. Those would be really fun. Oh my God, team, we are 6 likes away from 100 or 50 likes on the stream in the pre-market. Thank you guys, I appreciate it. PSN, SAP, let's see, PSN, what's this? That's an interesting one. Not the biggest fan. SMAR. That one's not bad. I like this one. Dude, why these software companies are doing it again. I mean, this one has earnings coming up. But, yeah, we'll see. We'll see. As far as 3 years, you find that interesting? That is really interesting. All right. 11 minutes to go until open. What do we want? Apple. I want to see how Apple looks. Disney, I'm very interested in. SMCI. Down in the pre-market, that's fine. I mean, if this thing continues to consolidate, fine by me. I do really like how... If Tesla flatlines here, I'll be very excited. Because we could catch a move up to these highs for another multi-thousand percenter. And that's the thing, guys. Once you see it with the swings, you can't unsee it. Guys, it's almost time for the announcement, too. We'll probably do it in, 6 minutes? We'll do the little... We'll do some little housekeeping with the Discord stuff that I know all of you guys have just... The amount of messages I've been getting on this are just nuts. So, I mean, you guys know the deal too. The deal to get the Discord for free is ending on Wednesday. So, 20% off all the existing education. You guys take advantage of that. You guys get the Discord for free. Same thing with the mastermind. The mastermind deal ends then too. So, make sure you guys hop in before then. Got to be right on SMCI. It's expensive. Yeah. Yeah, but it'll be a fun one. It'll be a fun one. If it goes. I mean, I don't know. I may not even go for it just because of NVIDIA's earnings. If NVIDIA's a dud on earnings, I'd be thrilled. It just like duds and just doesn't really move a whole lot. That would be the ideal scenario right now for an SMCI. If NVIDIA just doesn't do anything. And then we can wait a couple more days. Maybe even next week we go for SMCI and the setup gets even better. Who knows? I don't know. But the thing that you have to realize is that finding stocks that are about to explode before they do is really simple. And the vast majority of stocks that are about to make massive moves, they all look the same. It's the same thing over and over and over and over again. You only say that because you've been wrong. Yeah, I think that was a front run, though, wasn't it? I think that was you front running it. I mean, I could gamble it, but I don't think I'm going to gamble it. That doesn't make any sense with all the great setups that are out there in the market. Like, what's the point? If we see just like so many amazing setups out there, why would we gamble SMCI? Let's get the 10-year back up here. Yield's moving down. Uh-oh. Oh, you guys cracked 50 likes already. Thank you guys. I appreciate it. Good memory. I do have one of those, yeah. Sometimes I don't, though. Sometimes I have a terrible memory. All right. Let's see what we get, team. We have our tickers. We're ready to go. Less trades, more ankles. What's up, David? How you doing, buddy? Dude, I am thirsty this morning. I like Disney, man. I really like this. I mean, we'll see what happens with the market here. We could end up getting a really fun day trade setup here. The lizard memory. Yep. Dude, I could have called the Discord like Lizard Kings or something, but I didn't. I called it something more like trading related. Mara, you can take a look. It's probably gonna look all right. Nah, I mean Bitcoin looks good. Oops, hold on. Where is it? Come on. Bitcoin, I mean, we were talking about it in here on the daily, but again, if Mara's going to go and everything's going to get ready on these, I mean, I'll tell you, it'll be very simple to see. You totally should. No, I didn't call it that. I'm doing good, Alfie. How you doing, man? What are we looking at today? Everything on the Alfie, I can't go through everything again. But mainly just the tickers from the watch list. Mainly just the tickers from the watch list there. Yeah, no, nothing. Only the watch list stuff I really like. Well, Shopify's one that wasn't on the watch list that I like. I do like Apple, Disney. See, I don't know. I don't know if how much time I'll get on Disney. I'll probably just trade it like I would normally trade stuff. I probably won't get any like additional time on it. Keep it safe and just go have fun with it, you know? But I do really like those. Dude, you guys are crushing the like button today. Thank you guys. I appreciate it. Happy Monday. Must be because the Discord's coming out. You guys are getting all excited. Let's see. Good morning, Mo. How you doing, buddy? Market's turning up here a little bit. All right, team. So yeah, let's see what we get today. I mean, we're starting off a new week. Market's looking all right so far. Andrew, morning, buddy. That TP1, which is pretty 4.5 art. Yeah. Oh, you got a short the VIX hoodie, dude. I didn't even know I was still selling those. Hitcher, thanks, buddy. I appreciate it. I didn't even know I was still selling those. Nice. Most of the tickers you like are in the SpyX ETF. Isn't that? Yeah, I forget what that is. Isn't this fossil? Really? Energy? Really? Huh? That's strange. I mean, Exxon could look good here. I mean, it's just running. UNG. Oh, that's UNH. UNG. No. No. All right, guys. But it is 9:25. Let's do a little Discord announcement. So, all of you guys that have already taken advantage of the educational programs there, having so much success with it, all of you after the live stream, I tweeted this out on the, so you guys kind of already know this, but after the live stream on Thursday is when you guys are going to get the link to join. Again, you guys are going to have until when everybody else that's not in it, if you guys want to take advantage of the 20% off sale of the education, get the Discord for free. You have until Wednesday to do so. Thursday after the live stream is when I'm going to be sending out those links to you guys. It's going to be emailed and it's also going to be on the private Twitter account. So make sure you guys have notifications on for that. For everybody else that wants to join on a monthly basis, you guys are going to get the links. Well, I'm going to email them out. So launch day is going to be this Sunday, September 1st. So I'm going to email them out on that email list. I'll probably tweet it out. I'll probably what do you call it? I'll probably put an Instagram story out too. But this Sunday is when everybody else is going to have access to it as well. So that's the announcement there for you guys. I know a lot of you guys are excited for it. We're going to keep these public live streams going probably until the end of September. And then these are all going to move to privately for you guys in there. But again, those daily YouTube videos are going to stay the same. So that's the announcement there, team. Everybody that's already in those educational programs is going to get access to it again for free on Thursday. Everybody else, you guys are going to be joined this upcoming Sunday. So I'll throw the link in here for those of you guys that still need to hop in. The link is here. The discount code for 20% off to all of it is STV20. There you guys go. There you guys go. I mean, guys, you guys know the deal at this point. This is going to be unlike anything you guys have ever seen. It's just, shop looks good, yeah. Here we go. Building the best community on the internet there. It's going to be sick, man. It's going to be absolutely insane. The only thing I have to add to it is the old VIX Insights research reports. That's it. And then everything else is already on there. So yeah, you guys are going to get the courses. You guys are going to get all the watch lists. We're adding to the watch list. We're going to be doing Forex and crypto as well. More VIX Insights reports. We're going to be doing those webinars with you guys on those financial literacy concepts. Like the value in there, I honestly should charge a lot more than I'm going to for it, which is kind of the theme with everything that I do. But again, I want to make sure that everybody has the ability to hop in. Let's see. So yeah, Thursday's the day for all you guys. And then yeah, Thursday's also the last day to hop into the mastermind as well before the price increase. That's the deal on that one. So on Wednesday, the everything on the current like site to be able to hop in gets shut down. You can't buy it anymore. Market's moving up a little here. Thoughts on the DJT on heading into election month? I've thought about it just for like, the only thing is though, is that he's using Twitter a lot now. I mean, does the market care? Yeah, kind of does. I don't think I'm going to touch this. Yeah, it is November, but it's heading into November. So, I mean, I'm probably not going to do anything with DJT here. So we'll see. We'll see what we get today, team. I really like what we're looking at though this week. I think this week we have a lot of really, really nutty setups that we could take some crazy advantage of. Just got to see if the market's going to hold on. That's it. All right, team. 15 seconds to go. Let's do it. Let's do it. LMT, Lockheed, is it setting up? Lockheed actually looks good here. Lockheed looks really good. All right. Tough one to get right, but yeah, Lockheed is setting up. All right. Ding, ding, ding. Market silver? Whoa. Oh, Disney just gapped. Hold on. FS. I'm getting a lot of alerts. FL, JB Hunt. Oh, Disney's going. Oh, shit. That's not what I typed. Oh, these a-holes. There's nothing on the chain right now. Are you kidding me? Shop is moving. Everything's moving here. There's nothing on the Disney chain. They haven't. Oh, you're. Please come back down. Please come back down. Yes. Yes, come back down. All right. SMCI's down. Apple hanging on there. What else did we have? Shop was moving. Shop looks really good. All right, there's the Disney chain. All right, Disney's terrible right now. I'm going to give that a minute. Shop looks good. Let's see what the chain on that looks like. I want the Disney chain to be nice to us. I want it to behave. I want it to be nice to us. Disney. Don't be mean. That's better. All right, let's see. What can we get here? Can we steal from anybody? Shop's moving a little. That's nice. All right. See what we got, team. Shop looks really good. Starting to get a little spicy here. Let's see if that thing can get pushing. That would be nice. Disney's looking like it wants to break here. Let's see if that wants to happen. That would be really good. VIX is below 16. That would be nice. All right, there we go, Disney. Ooh, it flashed. Yeah, there it goes. There she goes. Let's see if it wants to go. All right. Market's moving up. Ooh, market getting a little action here. Hello. All right, where's Tessie? Down, but looks really good still. What else are we looking at? Apple. It's setting up. Uber. Dude, Uber's knocking on the door. Haven't taken anything? Yeah, Shop and Disney. Shop's fading. But we'll see what happens with that. I still like that one. See what happens with those. Those could be fun. Again, I'm not doing anything crazy on either of them. Just letting them cook a little. IWM fading it open. Really? Where's NQ? NASDAQ's pumping a little there. Disney faded a little. I still love this. That just looks filthy. So we'll see. We will see. Tessie down. All right, what else are we looking at? Let's grab the list. All right, where's like Adobe? Because this thing needs some more time. Yeah, ANET, that could be a good one. ANET, I really like here. Team, I think, was looking good again. Oh yeah, there goes Atlassian. There we go. Datadog. Datadog looks good. And then AMAT. This one was eh. Yeah, no, AMAT is probably going to invalidate there. Disney moving back down. Market just kind of lost it there, so it's going to move with the market here. Let's see. SMCI, is it moving? I thought it was fading. I thought SMCI was losing it here. Yeah, that's got to hold on there. SMCI has got to hold on. Let's see. But yeah, team looks really good. Anybody that was in Atlassian from last week, that thing is a monster. Silver I saw was alerting as well here. Yeah, silver's up nicely. There you go. Shop moving back up. Yeah, SMC, I don't have it, but it could be. I mean, I don't think I'm gonna gamble it just because like Nvidia has earnings, and there's so many other amazing setups out there. Like, why do it? Do I not like the setup for Nvidia? Why would I trade Nvidia, Alfie, right before earnings? That doesn't make sense. Look, yeah, it looks really good, but it has earnings Wednesday. So the only thing that I would do is SMCI. But yeah, Nvidia does look like it's breaking. AMD up nicely there. There you go, AMD. Am I selling cat? Nah, I cut it on Friday. But yeah, that was a nasty one. If you look at cat, it's probably pumping. Yeah, there you go on cap. I like accidentally entered this one during Powell, and I was like, that's not. I really shouldn't. It was just a dumb decision to have it there, and I was like, yeah, just gonna cut it. Took a little win on it. I think it was like a 30-40% win on Friday, and I was like, all right, I'm not gonna. And the market wasn't. There was something really weird happening on Friday where my orders weren't canceling, and then they would fill. I was like, all right, there's something weird's going on, so I just sat it out. And again, with the amount of setups that we have going into this week, I was like, I don't really need to force this one, but that one is good. So if you guys still have that, good for you. Shop's looking good here. Where's Disney? Disney's looking all right. All right, let's see what we get here. Disney's turning up a little. Market's coming back. Shop. Hello. Accidents could be a good thing. I know. I mean, I should have held it, but it was just weird. I was like, SoFi. Yeah, that was a good call we had there too. SoFi. Yeah, I mean, dude, this one I love. I'm not. I mean, I do like this. I own it down in here. 650. Those are good. TSM. Yeah, that could look good. But again, this is all going to be really like dependent upon NVIDIA earnings. And my favorite semi setup right now is SMCI. Let's see. Do we have any data coming out at 10? No. But we do have Mary Daly speaking at 2 p.m. And again, team, as you guys are filtering in here, button on your helps out a whole lot with the algorithms. Yeah. Let's see if that can pump up. That would be nice. Shop, new highs. I like that. It's flickering, but yeah, just made a new high. Yeah, Disney does look good here. So it's really got to push above these areas here, this little level of resistance, like 91.45. If you can get above there on Disney, that might be where the fun starts. MBLY, what's it doing? What's it doing? Dude, this thing is a piece of garbage. Where's Twilio, actually? Speaking of software. Nah, that thing's a bit iffy. CRM could be a fun one. Yeah, CRM. It has earnings. That could be a fun post-earnings move that we look for. That could be a fun one there. Yeah, that'd be a wide garbage stock. Cat still pushing there. There you go. There you go. That's a dirty one. TLT almost hit 99. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, that's why I was saying anybody that had like short dated options on TLT in there, I was like, when I went long TBT, that was a perfect bottom and top tick. AMC's up 3%. Are we going to get a stupid meme stock run and then it ruins the market here? Where's GME? Nothing. AMC. I don't know why that's moving. That chart is just horrendous. That thing is just garbage. All right. What else we got here? We do have a lot of alerts on stuff, so we're going to see what happens across the board. TLT, where is that? Yeah, I mean, it hit 99 something like last week. Into the moon. Yeah, I don't know about that. Yeah, let's see. I mean, the market, some sellers coming in here. You got to watch out a little bit. Got to be careful. Dude, we might hit 100 likes on the stream today. Thank you, guys. I appreciate you. And then Nike, I think, was setting up again. Yeah, it needs a 10 to catch up. Will Wolverine saving the theaters? Doubtful. All right, we got 2 minutes to go until a new 15-minute candle. Easiest stock in the market to collar. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. And we appreciate you too. Thank you, Eddie. I appreciate it. If Disney can push up through here, watch out for that 95 area. Shop just kind of hanging on, but this thing looks pretty good. ES is looking a bit icky here. Not going to lie. Looks a bit icky. 5 minute not looking good here. You are just kind of trapped in a range, though, for now. Has it broken out of like its 5 minute opening range yet or no? No, it's about to. It's about to touch the bottom of the 5 minute range. New 15-minute candle coming in, second one of the day. Yeah, we got some news. What do we got? Mullen news. Okay, that's interesting. Mullen. That piece of garbage too. You're in Shop and Disney? Yeah, me too. I got both of them. We'll see what happens with it. I like both. Still a little hesitant about the market, just in general. Just because like it's right after the like Powell Jackson Hole. So it's like little worried about that we sell back off, especially with that durable goods number. But who knows, man? Who knows? Where's Hood? Because that was another one from Friday. That was a nasty one. Yeah, Hood's down 0.5%. But Tor, I know you're in on this one. That was a dirty one. And then Cat, I think it's still pushing. Yeah, Cat, that's a dirty one. So is anybody still in Caterpillar? Because that's a fun one. Did the market just pop? Yeah. Hello. I want to see Shop above 77. That's what I want to see. I want to see if we can get all the way up there. Disney's pushing a little bit here. Little bit. Little baby push. Teams up 4%. Yep. That was one from last week, I think. Atlassian. Yeah, that was a good one. Yeah, we talked a lot about that one last week. Hood, Lucid, PayPal, current open positions. Lucid at a 10-1 and wildly free. Swing Kings for the win. Congratulations, Tor. That is awesome. You got some Kappa, got rid of it Friday. Yeah, that was probably a great trade. QQQ low of day. Really? Yeah, NASDAQ's not having any fun here. NASDAQ's drilling. Not like anything crazy, but it is. I don't want Apple on this chart. I got to do it on a different chart. Where's Apple? Dude, Apple. Oh, I'm licking my chops on Apple. Apple could be a real fun one as well. Again, guys, less trades, more profits. Have your patience. Wait for the setups to come to you. Then we get to have our fun. Here comes Disney a little. Again, 91.45. That could be an interesting area to start breaking there. Let's see. Market's just chopping around. I mean, you could just wait. It might just wait around for NVIDIA earnings. That's possible as well. Nike needs more time. We just looked at that one. See? Needs more time. Disney back down. Shop's got some potential here. I'm not the biggest fan of it doing this far away from its 10. So that does add a little bit more risk to it. But, I mean, it's still a pretty good setup here. So we'll see. And again, a lot of it's going to hinge on the market, which is why I'm not going crazy on much yet. NASDAQ, I would assume, is still moving down. Kava's over 125. Dude, anybody that was able to get that post-earnings move on Kava, congratulations. The spreads were wider than the Grand Canyon. I couldn't do it. You're in the MATV? Well, I mean, if it goes, good for you. MATV. Well, if you got it on Friday, yeah, you're crushing it. I wouldn't buy it here, but yeah, if you got it on Friday, you're crushing it there. Yeah, I want to see Shop above 77. Don't know if it's going to get there today, but actually, why am I doing it on this chart? Silver's moving down. Market's losing it a little here. Market's losing it. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, market. It's just chopping. MA we've looked at. Visa and MasterCard we took a look at. Yeah, that looks good. That looks good there. Visa, and then we'll look at American Express too. Visa looks really good. Amex, what do we got? AXP, not Amex. Nah. Bit icky. Don't want that one. Disney holding on. PDD, I think, got whacked, didn't it? Oh my God. 26% in the red off of earnings. Oh dear. Pinduoduo not having any fun. Dragging all the China stocks down with it, I would assume. That is not ideal for Pinduoduo. Oh boy. Yeah, and then there was something about like Canada coming in with more like tariffs on Chinese EVs, I believe. So that's not necessarily what you want to see either. Disney's about to break here. There it is. What are those up? They're spready. So it's only showing up being flat, but I think they're probably up like 8 to 10% here. But here comes Disney a little bit. Let's see if it pushes. That'd be nice. That would be very nice if we could see Disney get a little push there. This is going. It's close. It's close. It needs some more steam, but it looks good. SoFi's a beast. Yeah. You're welcome for that one. That was a really good one on that day that we bought it on the private stream. Even with all the volatility, like I still really like that one. Yeah, Disney didn't want it there. Oh, yeah, Disney is trying to get out of that range. Yeah, Shop's losing it there. That's no fun. Where's Cat? Is that still pushing? Yup, dude. Caterpillar. Look at that beast. Look at that beast. No, I have Disney. I have Shop. We'll see what happens with them. This was a great one. I do wish I held this. But it like wasn't canceling my orders. Friday was weird. I was like, what is going on? Very strange what was going on Friday with some of the orders I was trying to cancel. They wouldn't cancel. I'd get filled again. Yeah, market's just shopping around in a range. Yeah, I do like Disney though. It's got some potential. So we'll see. What else? I wish I held the Caterpillars. Damn. All right. What else on the list are we looking at? Uber. Where's Uber at? That's still setting up really good. Datadog is another one. How's Qualcomm look this morning? That's fine. Atlassian was doing very well. Still is. There you go. Yeah, I don't think it was Interactive Brokers. I think it was everything. Cat crossed that 352. Anybody that's still holding Cat is printing right now. Oh my God. What's it up right now today? Like 2%? Maybe just 1.3. That's still great though. Here comes Shop a little bit. Tried there for a second. Let's see. Dude, we're like 24 likes away from 100 likes on the stream. Thank you guys. I appreciate it. Yeah, remember, all you guys that have taken advantage of the 20% off deal to hop into the Discord or hop into all the educational programs to get the Discord for free. That sale ends Wednesday. I'll throw the link in the live chat here too. The discount code is STV20. And then everybody else that wants to hop into the Discord too, you guys are going to get the link sent to you on Sunday. So September 1st. So get ready for that. That's going to be fun. There's going to be Instagram stories. There's going to be tweets. I'll probably send some emails out, and then you guys will be able to hop in there too. Palantir not having fun today. That's good. I want Palantir to not have fun right now. I want it to drop below 30, and then I'll sell some puts on it at like 26. You know, something like that. Just let it cook there. You gave a thumbs up already last night, Eddie. Thank you, buddy. I appreciate that. All right. Let's see. Give me a minute here, guys. I'm gonna go grab some water really quick. Just give me like 2 seconds. 2 seconds. I'll be right back. All right, we're back. What'd you guys do to the market? What'd you do? What'd you guys do? Let's see. Shop's holding Disney down a little. Disney's just kind of chopping around. That's fine. That's fine. Shop back down. Market. Is this thing diving here? Oh, yeah. There it goes. There it goes. Market knifing. Let's see what it wants to do. I think it's just going to chop around, but we'll see. Gotta run. I hope everyone has a great day. For those on the fence, get the courses. You won't regret it. Dr. Bob, shout out to you, buddy. Dude, congratulations. You have a great rest of your day. I know you've been crushing it, dude. Yeah, all of you guys have. Like, I don't think there's anybody in there with us that has not like had a crazy amount of success. So yeah, shout out to you guys. Dr. Bob, thanks for the kind words, man. I appreciate it. Let's see. Yeah, I think, I mean, there's not really anything to move this here. It's just gonna screw around. Let's see. Oh, Alfie, if you're still here, remember, make sure you grab the mastermind before Wednesday, because if you don't grab it Wednesday, you won't be able to get it anymore at the current price. It's gonna get like canceled. So just careful. Don't miss it. Market is just very flat here today. Nothing crazy in either direction. Up, down, left, right, bunch of nonsense. Disney holding nicely at 91.30. I want shop above 77. That's what I want. I don't want it down here. It's stuck on 32. We need 100. We're at 78 likes. We're almost at 100. We're 22 away. We're close. We're getting there. And then once we go to the private streams with you guys, you'll never have to hit the like button again. Well, on the videos, you will. Was that news? Barkin, disinflation has spread beyond goods to the rest of the economy, boosting confidence it will continue. Ooh, that's interesting. Whoa, Dow hits all-time intraday high. That is interesting. Where's like UNH? There's that UNH move that we were looking for. HD. Wow, HD didn't give us anything there. Apple. Apple looks nasty. Tesla. Tesla's holding on. I like that. Let's go, slackers. Thanks, Pod. I appreciate it, buddy. WK is moving. What was this? I feel like the premiums on this are going to be not fun. You know, I feel like it's going to be really illiquid. Yeah, it's definitely going to be really illiquid. Oh, yeah. No. That's a share trade if you touch anything on that. The bid is 0. The ask is 480. That's infinite. That's infinity spreads. XLU, yeah. Where's NEE? There it goes. There it goes. Finally, yeah. So again, this time I probably needed some more time on those NEEs. So that's probably what I'll do in the future. Anything with utilities, I'll probably just go with more time on it and just leave it be. Or shop. All right. Disney chopping around. It's not the best. But yeah, I mean, I'll probably stick with Disney and shop until Nvidia earnings, and then if like Tesla, Apple, Adobe, a lot of the other really good setups start to go after, then we'll probably go for them around then. Let's see if shop wants to start marching here a little. That'd be fun. Here it comes. We'll be coming around the mountain when she comes. Woohoo! Remember that one? Remember that one from back in the day? Yeah, I would assume XLV, XLRE are both looking good. XLRE, I mean, vertical. XLV, how's this look? Pretty good. So, shop looks good here. All right. All right. Shop's going. There we go. There we go. That's what we like. Throwback. Yeah. Yeah, I want to see Shop above 77. See what happens there. I want to see Disney cruise through that 91.45 area there. That's what I want to see. But you like hitting the like button. You will continue doing it, Eddie. You can do whatever you like there, pal. The Coupang monthly chart. A-Rock? It doesn't look bad, man. We've talked about that one. That one does not look bad. There goes ES. Come on, market. What are you doing? Don't you know that rate cuts are bullish? No, I'm just kidding. It's just going to screw around today, I think. I don't think there's going to be anything that crazy. Shop looks pretty good. Just made a new high. Market turns up a little. We'll get some fun on that. But it just looks like it's going to be a slow day. It's flat right now. Lucid TP4. Oh, my God. What did you do? Oh, my. Tor. That was the one that I was... Guys, this is the power of Swing Kings here. Like, I can't even make it more simple for everybody. Your least favorite, thank you, Swing Kings. Tor, shout out to you, buddy. Dude, that's what it's all about. Look at that. Tor, next time, tell me, bro. I didn't see this one. Dude, what is... This thing's at a what? A 1 to 15 right now? That's disgusting. That's filthy. Dude, there, it just keeps pushing. VRNT. Ooh, what's that? Ooh, what's that? Ooh, I like it. What's the chain look like? What's the chain look like on some VRNT? Probably terrible. Probably not good. Yeah, no, this is going to be bad. Yep, nope. I did. You said I don't like it. Really? Oh, well, I take that back. I take that back, Tor. That was a good setup that I missed. Damn. And here comes the market back up. It's just gonna, I think it's just gonna chop around and be slow. I mean, it looks like it wants to knife, but the buyers just keep buying the thing up. SoFi, new high of day. That's good for us. Let's check that. Oh yeah, dude, my SoFi shares are printing. What else do we want? AMD, how's that look? We're just checking the long term here. Facebook. Ooh, that's no good. Dix. Long term's just chilling today, probably. I do like Shop. I mean, it's holding well. Disney, it's all right. I think it looks pretty good. We'll see what happens with it, but I do like Shop. Shop looks nasty. And then everything else on the watch list, we're probably going to have to wait a couple of days and see what happens with NVIDIA earnings. That's probably what we're going to have to wait for. Palantir, I hope that's dying so I can find maybe. Nope. Back above 31. Nice. They never want to let me buy this thing ever. Dude, I sold $25 strikes like down in here and it went to 21 and I still didn't get my shares. Now it's at 31, 33, 31 now, but it's ridiculous. They hate me. Where's the USJ trade setup? It's like from here, down here to up here. I don't know. It might be too big. Michael's from Friday. I told him, I was like, that's too big. But yeah, this might be too big as well. But yeah, that one from Friday still printed big time. It was like 30 points to TP1. That's insane. That's insanity. No. I shorted the puts. So yes, I did make money. But I wanted the shares at 25. They wouldn't give them to me. I was a bit annoyed at that. Not gonna lie. Even though I made the money. but I was like, give me I want the shares. I like the stock. Shop just cruising. This reminds me of like a DraftKings, kind of. Oh, it's 5.25 points of risk. That's just over the edge there. Hey, it hit. Yeah, it did hit, Michael. You crushed that one. And Disney's losing it here. That's no good. We'll see what happens with it. Shop still trying to hold on. ES flickering around. I mean, that's all that's happening here. Market's just been kind of getting weighed down here over the last couple of minutes. Like since open, it's just been kind of getting weighed down. So market turns up here. I mean, those are going to go. You get what you need, I guess. Just die, please, Palantir. I want shares. You want shares at 1450, 2022, and now 2025? I might have missed your entry. No, you don't say, Ralph. You don't say. Yeah, I did. Dude, I have so much cash, too, ready to deploy. Not that it's good, but Mullen's up 50%. Yeah, they had news. So it's still a garbage company, but yeah. I don't know. I've got like, I forget what the number is. It's either 40 or 70 grand sitting around in an account that I need to do something with. And I don't know. I mean, I have an idea, but those like research reports I'm going to be giving you guys in the Discord are going to be what I'm probably going to buy. Like, what if I've given you guys, where's Philip Morris now? Like, where's PM? Oh, yeah. Oh, look. Oh, look, everybody. So this one I gave you guys down in here, sub 95. It's at 121 and pays a fat dividend. You're welcome. SoFi, Palantir, all of them. I mean, guys, like this thing's a unit. That's why I gave the research report to all of you, because it's a monster. Dash, we can take a look at Dash. I still don't even own PM. I should own PM. Dash, I like. Dash looks really good. Good call. Good call on Dash. I like that. Oh, you deal with the extra cash? Oh yeah. What are we gonna do? What are we doing with the cash, Daniel? If you say give it to you, I'm obviously gonna say no. First day of college for Andrew. Congratulations, buddy. Have fun. Have a great time. College is a good time. Syllabus week? Dude, syllabus week is fake. Syllabus week isn't real. BTI? Uh-oh. Well, Disney liked it. Shopton. Market. That's slippage. Well, it's not slippage, but it's spaghetti. BTI. Yeah, that's another one. This is what I'm worried about. These sellers coming in after Powell and being a little skittish. Yeah, there it goes. Yeah, there goes Disney back down. Shop's holding nicely for now. We'll see. Disney, not so much. We'll see though. God, I wish I just held the cat. That would have made the week right there. Boom, done. Like, yeah, Kava, dude. That post earnings one was nasty. I was just worried about. I think. All right, so this is like the one example ever of like if you traded it with shares, you still would have drilled it. That's a 1 to 4. That's pretty good. That's crazy though. I didn't want to trade Kava with the shares. Wouldn't have made sense. Because in every other example, they don't make sense. We're getting our morning sell-off here. Uh-oh, market. Uh-oh. If they eat this back up, it's going to be quite funny. Just because I think a lot of people are coming into this week with, for good reason, thinking that we're going to sell a little bit because of like all the nonsense that we saw with Powell last week and how people just don't. IWM ripped? Really? What the heck is going on? Why are we rotating to small caps? Where's the Dow? What is it? I'm having a brain collapse here. I know it's DJI, but I don't really want to. We could just look at it here. Dow's cruising. ES and NQ not having any fun. All right, there goes ES. All right, let's see. Ooh, we got 19 likes on the stream until 100. Thank you, team. I appreciate it. All right, shop's moving down. That's fine. Disney, we'll see. Where's like Tesla? Dude, Tessie still looks nasty. What else? Apple. Oh, dude, Apple looks so good. Man, shop's losing it there. Disney's still holding on. Yeah, this thing's probably gonna knife for a little bit. Let's see. That's not great. Very thin on QQQ and SPY. It just got bid right back up there. I mean, it just seems like people are going to be a little skittish and then like wait for Nvidia earnings. That's just what this looks like. So we'll see. Oh, and yeah, guys. Again, if you guys need some more of those funded accounts, I mean, my funded futures is, I think, the best futures prop firm right now. Cheaper than Apex and Top Step. There's no intraday trailing drawdown. The rules are really good. If you guys need some more of those funded accounts, make sure you guys check out that link that I just threw in the live chat there. And the discount code is VIX. Nah, shop's losing it. If we lose 76 here, I'll probably just cut it. Yep, shop might tell us no. We'll see though. We'll see. I mean, again, I might just leave it because it's not a big position. Like, nothing I'm doing right now is that crazy size because of what we're seeing. So I might just leave it. We'll see though. Disney's still holding on. Nike. Yeah, I'm waiting for the 10 to catch up on that thing. That's all I'm doing there. I love the Apple setup. It's probably going to be a wait until Nvidia, after earnings. We'll see what happens. We're about to get a new 15-minute candle here, too. 30 seconds. This could be an interesting one. Let's see what they want to do here. Kava's still going up. Dude, Kava's a monster. It's way overvalued. It doesn't mean that we short it, though. So, we'll see. Yeah, shop loses 76 there. I'll probably cut it. And then wait for some more epic setups. There's no reason to continue screwing around with it. Yeah, there it goes. I'll cut that one. Oh, thanks. I'll keep the Disneys for a while, though. See what happens. So I think those shops were down like 20%. That's nothing. What else do we have? Nike's still holding up very well there. Yeah, I'll probably give this like until next week, and then we'll try it again. Let the 10 catch up. That was kind of what I was worried about on it. Disney's still looking all right. I mean, right above 91 is kind of where that spot is anyway. Yeah, 20%. It's nothing. Dell earnings are going to be interesting. Yeah. Yep. So market does deserve to sell a little bit here. We just got to see how much it's going to go. Where's that cap? Is that thing still ripping? Yep. Cat still at the highs. There you go. There you go. Where's SoFi? Is that still holding on? I mean, yeah. I mean, SoFi's still pretty close to the highs there. So you got a lot of zones now on this thing. Did Tesla lose the 10? Yeah. Tesla's got to come up here. If it can still flatline, we'll still be good on Tesla. We'll see if we can get something there. Andrew, yeah, that could be a good one. We could get an ES short setup if it bounces. What am I trading? Yeah. Well, I haven't traded ES yet, but mostly I have Disney calls right now. That's it. Less trades, more profits, team. Took a paper cut on Shopify, but that's it. Little baby paper cut. It's back to 76, but I still, we'll wait for better. We'll wait for better action to go for it. I mean, we expected the market to come down anyway, which is why those positions were so small to begin with. Tesla at 210. Yeah, I mean, maybe. It is still leaking here. So is the market. So again, after Powell coming out and saying what he says and the market acting the way that it did, there's no reason for this thing to continue up. And that's why I was so careful with everything on Friday. There was just nothing to do. Even though Cat was a dirty trade. Here she goes more. Here she goes some more. Swing side's going to be slow. Yeah, that's fine. It just gives us better setups. Like Disney's still looking fine. Apple's still looking really good. Like, look at this thing. Apple's just flatlining. I love this. And again, what were we saying earlier? We need to make sure that everything's going to be fine going through NVIDIA earnings and then let it success over 6%. Oh, yeah, they're hedging the crap out of that. Disney coming back up. Yeah, success up. NVIDIA, what's this doing? Well, I mean, NVIDIA and a lot of the other semis are down too. So I wouldn't say that's all hedging, but yeah, it definitely is partially hedging. SMCI dying. Oh, yeah, no. That one's off the watch list now. We're not touching SMCI. That one's done. Dude, that setup was so good, potentially, and then it just never validated. So, nothing on that one. Could be another slow week. I mean, you guys have still been killing it as usual, but just because, like, the cat, the hood. What else was there? Lucid, that Tor had. Yeah, it likes this zone here. Let's see what it wants to do. Yeah, that stinks on SMCI because that was a really good potential setup. I was hunting that one. But that's why we don't front run. Mullen, yeah, I know, but Mullen's garbage. So we're not, there's nothing to do on it. And then what else? Let's go through a couple of the other ones on the list, see how those are looking. Qualcomm's probably in the red. Yeah, but that's still sort of valid. Adobe, what do we got? Adobe's still setting up. Uber is one that's probably going to take a little time. Yep, that's going to take some time. Team Atlassian was one from last week that we were still kind of hunting. Oh, yeah, dude. Atlassian's still a gem. Disney coming up a little there. Datadog was another one. Datadog still looks really good. Yeah, where's Google? Google's setting up nicely. Starbucks. Do I live from trade? I don't have a job, and this is my job. Let's see. I mean, if this thing had converged into the 10, I would have been interested, but no. You front run SMCI? Yeah, it happens. Let's see. How would I be sitting here at 10:22 on a Monday with a job? Like, that doesn't make sense. It's not that hard either. You guys take advantage of all the things that I teach you. I mean, you've seen it time and time again. People making tens of thousands of dollars in a trade. It's not difficult. I could teach this to a kindergartner. You have a job? Yeah, but you're listening. You don't have to talk. Imagine if I was like at a workplace and talking. Here comes Disney a little. Come on. Come on. You have a job and you're here. Yeah, but that's different. That's different, guys. Raising prices on our cert. There you go, Ralph. Disney's hunting again because trading is number one. There you go, Daily Taylor. Disney's hunting a little bit. You don't have a job, screw that. I wonder how many people I've like helped quit their jobs. I bet it's a lot. Sometimes I think about the amount of money that I've like the total amount of just like new funds I've created for people over the years. I mean, I've created millionaires, which is insane. It's probably above 10 million at this point from everything that we've done for everybody. Like, imagine we go in and nail a multi-1,000% Tesla trade. Like, that's a couple $100,000 between everybody right there, at least. At least. We'll get a better picture of it, though, once we start seeing some more of you guys crushing it in the Discord when that's out. So, but yeah, next Sunday is when everybody else is able to hop in. Those of you guys that are already in the courses are going to get everything for free on Thursday. Let's make it a few more. Oh, we will. Don't you worry about that. Yeah, Disney's still looking good here. Here comes Disney. Come on. Mo says, vet here. You've saved my life with this. Mo, dude, you're awesome, man. Shout out to you, man. All your vet friends, too, that have hopped in over the years, the firefighters, everybody. Congratulations to everybody. Yeah, quitting your job costs benefits packages, health insurance, security, need multiple sources of income. Yep. Eddie says he took a break from his 9 to 5, currently living with a senior member of your family that didn't want to live alone, but still very independent, gives me space, so no rent or utilities. That's awesome, Eddie. Yeah, I'm only in Disney now. I like how you would price action experience is key. Yeah, man. Again, it's super simple. Once you guys see it, you can't unsee it. Cole, what's up, buddy? How you doing? NEE is probably still going there. Yeah, NEE. I just needed more time on that one. Where do you find the courses? So, Samuel, the 20% discount that gets you access to all the education, the day trading mastery course, which has like that strategy has like 20 winning months in a row. The Swing Kings course where you guys are getting the watch list. I just sent the link in the live chat for you there. The 20% off deal is going to end Wednesday because on Thursday is when all of you guys that have hopped into the courses get the Discord for free. If you just want to pay monthly for the Discord, that's fine, but that's going to be out on Sunday. So just make sure that you like have notifications turned on like Instagram, Twitter. I'll probably send some emails out about it. I'll make like a YouTube community post, things like that. So yeah. Oh, and the discount code is STV20 for 20% off. The strength that Disney is showing what the market is doing, this is very promising. Yeah, it could just be the Dow, though. It could just be moving up with the Dow. But yes, I do really like that. It is showing some strength when the market's selling off like this, which I do really like. You do, Eddie, what? oh, for Disney? Yeah, let's see what happens. Shop was looking promising, and then it could be back above 76 now. Nah, I don't like that. No, that's fine. That's the name of the game, team. Tiny paper cuts and giant winners. Microsoft needs to chill. Didn't the Call of Duty trailer get released? Like just now? Disney's knocking on the door there. That's looking good. So we'll see what happens with that one. That one could be a really good one. Opinion on, I can't see this right now. STZ. I can see that now. Big fan of this. I like that setup, Caesar, a lot. I like that a lot, dude. NEE. Yeah, I just needed more time on it. That's fine. Because we were looking to enter in here. It just kind of chopped around for a few days. Kava did reach 128. As you said, that play with shares was very nice. Yeah. Let Disney in. It's trying. It is trying. I want these contracts to get a little snappy. That would be fun. Here she comes. New high. That'd be sick if we caught a big Disney move. It's very possible. Very, very, very possible. We just have to wait and see. Take two with the... Oh, that could be fun. I mean, the... Oh, yeah. Yeah. That could be a very, very, very good one. Yeah, Disney's cruising. Right, new highs. I want these contracts to start snapping. They haven't done it yet. Let's see. It's always a good sign when you enter a position right before you go off stream that we get screenshots like 3 hours later. Yeah. Oh, look, I'm up 300%. Yeah, those are always fun. I don't think Disney's going to do that today. Could. If this market turns around, Disney's already got some juice behind it, so we'll see. We'll see. Are you extending the stream today? We could go on for a little longer if you want to. I mean, it's 10:30. There's not really much else to do here. You guys want to extend the stream a little bit? We're 12 likes away from 100. So if we get 12 more likes by 10:35, I'll extend the stream. How about that? How about that? It is already 10:30. Wow, went by fast today, team. Ralph, what do we got here? Ooh, that's not good. Fairly easy to use. I'll watch after you leave the live. Awesome, Samuel. Yeah, you're gonna get at. Yeah, so you got both of them, and then Samuel, here's the other thing you got to do. If you just hopped into the courses, make sure you request a follow at STV Swing Kings on Twitter, and send that account a DM with your email, and then make sure that you have notifications turned on for that account, because that's when the Discord links are gonna go out. And make sure you've selected that you want to receive emails on the Teachable platform that you signed up through, just because sometimes it just automatically like defaults to saying no, you don't want to. Disney's starting to push here. There we go. Not like you gotta go to work. I mean, yeah, not really. I mean, I do other things, but I don't have to do other things today. Here comes Disney. Come on, buddy. Get a little spicy. All right, we're 3 likes away. Come on, Disney. This actually might give it to us today. I mean, if the market really dives from here, we might actually get that long. ANET going to get invalid. Yeah, that's fine. That one was tight. It was like kind of 50-50 on it. It was already looking like it was going to invalidate, and then it did. So that's fine. I mean, currently Disney doesn't care, which I do really, really like. That's guys, it's such a good sign too, that when like the market's coming down because it goes along with the thesis that like people funnel into these things when they start to look good, especially as the market starts to sell off. So I'm really liking this so far. I am really liking this. We'll see if it holds. All right, Samuel, I think you just came over here and requested. Let me get you here quick. Yeah, there you go. Awesome. Samuel, you're all good, buddy. Yeah, there you go. Samuel, I just approved you. You're good to go. Guys, you have 50 seconds left for one more like to extend the stream for another 10 minutes. So you're getting close. Let's see. Google. I still like a lot of these setups. I'm actually I like what the market's doing here. I want it to sell. Because this is just going to give us even better setups for who will be the one. I don't know. We'll see. Sox S up 7%. Yeah, it's really the market. Yeah. I mean, all the markets coming down. Semis are coming down. Disney coming back down a little. 100 likes? All right, you guys, we'll go until 10:45. How about that? We'll extend the stream today. Then I got to eat lunch and go to the gym. You want the day changer trigger, but I don't want the market dying? It might. It's like down in here, isn't it? It should be like right here. You still got a long way to go. Acceptable. New lows. I just love how this is holding right now. If it can hold here, start to push a little. Let's see. Oh yeah. Also, I don't think we talk about this a lot in the streams, but if you guys think that you're following me on my main Twitter, you're probably not. I deactivated my old Twitter account with like 28,000 followers, whatever it was. This is the new Twitter account, Short to Vix 2. So if you guys aren't following that one yet, make sure that you guys are. Married MILFs? No, I go to the gym at lunch, so there's nobody in there. I don't want to have to wait for anything. I get impatient. I get impatient on airplanes. Like, get off the plane. Why are we taking so long to get off an airplane? Get off. Everybody out of the pool. Leave. It's no need to sit there and just take forever on an airplane to get off. But you go into this gym at this time and it's like, whoa, there's talent in there. I'll say it that way. There's some talent. What are yields doing? Nothing crazy. EWZ, isn't that, what is this, Brazil? That's interesting. What's the dollar doing? And then EEM. Dollar not really doing anything, but what are emerging markets doing? Yeah, down. That's interesting. Guys, I'm a big fan of Disney. You have so much patience in the market, though? Yeah, I do. What's different? It's different. I have things I gotta do. I can't be sitting there waiting for you to screw around on a machine. Or like, plus this gym is like, the only reason why I go to it is because it's close. It's ridiculously expensive for no reason. It's not even good. Yeah, there's a sauna. Great. Who cares? New lows there on the market. What's your go-to Chipotle order look like? Oh, I got you. Ready? So you get a bowl with a tortilla on the side. You get a vinaigrette, brown rice, peppers and onions, pinto beans, double chicken, mild and medium, corn, sour cream, and cheese. And then you get a sour cream on the side. You mix up the vinaigrette. You make a burrito, and you also have a bowl. Uh-oh, here comes the market. And Disney doesn't care yet. I like it. That is the best Chipotle order, and you can throw guac on there too if you want to feel a little special about yourself. But I swear, if I miss the day trade here because of you guys, I'm gonna be upset with myself. Okay, I still have a little room, but not much. It is a lot of points of risk. I'm just gonna draw it here just for funsies. Bloop. 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 That's a lot of points. Oh boy. No, stop. Get out of here. You have it already set up? I'm going to have to. The vinaigrette sour cream combo is so good. Yeah, you can also throw some of that like Chipotle Tabasco sauce they got in there. That stuff's really good. Valid. Yeah, I don't think there is. I haven't tried the new chicken on it yet because I feel like I'm gonna want double, and it's also has pineapple in it, and I'm not the biggest fan of throwing fruits into things that just don't need fruits. You know. Michael, if you drill another one of these, that's one of these giant setups, I'm gonna laugh because that's awesome. Disney's starting to lose it a little there, but it's still holding up nicely. There you go, Ralph. Disney right back up. I do really like Disney here. We'll see what happens with it, but it is looking pretty spicy. Pretty spicy, if I do say so myself. NEE at 81. That's nice. That is nice. I mean, this is technically too big to do it with, but I mean, hey, I'd take a little risk there. We got rid of the new chicken. Actually, most of the locations going to be now. It's going to be brisket. Oh, that stuff was good. I used to have that back in the day. That stuff was really good. All right, 9150. Disney's got a break. I mean, that 9145 area is important. It's kind of struggled and chopped around there a little bit, but if it can break aggressively out of there, we could have some fun. You do double steak. That's fair. I can't hate on that. I can't hate on that. If you don't get the side tortilla and the stuff and make a burrito, what are you doing? You're just missing out, especially after the gym. Yeah, I usually eat before the gym. Yeah, the brisket is really good. Dude, when I'm older, I'm going to be such a whale. I'm just telling you guys right now. Like 30 years? I'm going to be an elephant. I like food too much. I like it way too much. NEE's going. Well, yeah, I mean, it hasn't crossed 81 yet, but yeah, that's a good one. So this one, I mean, if I wanted it here, it just, I actually probably could have kept holding it, the position that I had, because they expired this week, I believe. I think they were like 81s. That actually might have been one to hold. Where's Tessie? Where's Apple? Apple's still looking good. Uber probably sold off more. It's not that bad. You're going to go to Muay Thai soon? Dude, I love Muay Thai. Burn a lot of those calories. Yeah, but dude, I can put food down like nobody's business. I can just keep eating. It's a blessing and a curse. Do I trade through TradingView? No, I don't trade through TradingView. I don't like the interface of it. If I'm trading futures, I just trade directly on the broker and then I just chart on TradingView. So I watch it here, but then my orders are set up somewhere else. So when you see those like Instagram and TikTok videos, like the dollar amount is like from like Tradeovate or Ninja Trader, and then I like looking at the charts on TradingView and then just executing on the broker. I don't know. It's a little weird. I just don't like the interface of TradingView. You can accidentally order stuff. Like, I just don't like it. Some people do, though. If you like it, good for you. That's an aggressive move down from, that's like 30 points. That's big. We might get here. I'd actually be thrilled if we got down here, triggered a little day trade setup. That'd be fun. It's not weird. You're in the same boat. Yeah, I just don't like it. It's weird. Like the TradingView interface for like linking it to your broker is strange, and you have to pay for it, I think. So it's like, why would I pay for like a subpar interface that is introducing even more ability to like accidentally screw things up? It's like, I don't really want to do that. All right, team. It's 10:45. We're going to be wrapping up the stream for today. Remember, it's your last chance. If you guys want to hop in, get access to all the education there, and make sure that you're getting the Discord for free. There is that link in the live chat there. You guys know the codes and everything. Everybody that's already hopped in is going to be getting the links to the Discord to hop in for free on Thursday after the stream. And then everybody else who wants to pay monthly is going to be able to hop in this Sunday. So team, I mean, slightly red day so far, but it's nothing crazy. Tried the Shopify, looking at Disney. I still really like it. We'll see what happens there. But yeah, NVIDIA earnings coming up this week. there's a lot of fun things that are going to be happening in the market. So get ready. Get ready. We're going to have some epic trades. So team,